Same thing, a little bit faster. Here's the C chord. 1, 2, ready, go. And 2, 3, 4. 4 and a 1. Still landing on 1. And a 1 and 2, 3 and 4. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Get it back on there. Beat the clock. Yes. 2, 3, 4. And strum. 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 2, 3, 4. And a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a strum and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and you may practice counting 16th notes if you'd like. And a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and those numbers match right up with what you hear the hi-hat doing. 4E and a 2E and a beautiful.